Hey guys, back busting boxes of 09 010 ice. So either way, hopefully we'll get something out of this box. First pack. Stupid decoys base. Wow, we got the Champions, Natalie Darwitz, authentic autograph. Champions auto, Natalie Darwitz. It's actually a pretty messed up auto. Starts from one end of the card all the way to the other. Okay, that's pretty nice. Third pack. Base. Okay, we got a Francis Wathier, Ice Premiers, numbered 802 to 1999. Base. Base. Oh, we got a jersey or a patch from, we got Fresh Threads, authentic jersey swatch of Villino. It's not numbered. Base. Oh, now there's a patch right there. There's only one card on either side of it. Let's see who it is. Oh, son of another one. Okay. John Tavares, number 11 of 15. This is nice. Number 11 of 15, swatch. Number 11 of 15, a Johnny Tavares. Isn't that nice? Look at that. That just paid for both boxes, actually. Base. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, David Delibert, 136 of 999. Base. So far, this box has been pretty decent, actually. I'm not even halfway done the box yet. Base, base, base. 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 Base, base. Just hit the halfway mark in the box, and oh, look at this. Okay, I don't know what this is yet. I like that white thick card in the middle of the pack. It's a Sidney Crosby. I just kind of saw the end of his name. A Sidney Crosby, Frozen Fabrics. Said the kid. Oh, this has actually been a real nice box break. I'm actually very impressed with this box. Me and my girlfriend purchased 2 boxes about a month and a half ago of the Upper Deck Ice, and we pulled a well, she did Alex Carlson jersey swatch number to 15, and she pulled a Premier Patch auto rookie of Jamie Benn number to 10. So base Jamie Cyphers 1284 of 1999. Cyphers base. I'm very impressed with this box. And this one real nice auto. Base. The reason I said I had that other Tavares, I do, but it's not numbered. It's the exact same card. Base. Gotta love those decoys. Okay, got a rookie of Mike Pierola, 1380 or 1348 of 1999, the Philly Flyers. Base. Damn decoys. Coming down to the last 4 packs of the box here. Nothing. Base. This box right here, got 3 packs left. Oh, this one felt like there was a nice patch in there. Base. Decoys. Second last pack. All base. I'm actually kind of impressed with this box. Some nice stuff out of it. Base. Alexander Salak, the Florida Panthers, number 86 of 999. And that box is done. Have a quick recap here of what I just pulled. Alexander Salak, Ice Premier, number to 999. Mike Pierola, number to 1999. Jamie Cyphers, number to 1999. Got Sidney Crosby, Frozen Fabrics, so the kid. David Lillibert to 999. Got Frozen Fabrics of John Tavares, authentic patch swatch, number to 15. There's the 15 there. 11 to 15, nice swatch there. Pull a Villolino, fresh thread, not numbered. Francis Wathier, number to 1999. And pull a Natalie Darwitz, authentic autograph, the Champions. So yeah, hope you guys like that box. I'll be back in a bit. Thanks, man.